to our fun and uplifting session of Heart for Art. Today we will discuss the topic rebuilding inner security, inspired by the strength and the incredible story of Ruth. Today we'll not only reflect on how inner security can be grounded in love, loyalty, and faith, but we'll also have some laughs along the way. And don't forget a little Bible trivia. Are you ready to dive in? Great. Today's supplies include a drawing pencil, sketch pad, drawing pen, and acrylic markers. I will leave links to the supplies used in the description of this video. God is our refuge and strength, an ever-present help in trouble. What a comforting declaration. When life's uncertainties rattle us, we are reminded that God is the firm rock we can lean on. But what does rebuilding inner security really mean? That's what we're exploring today through the amazing story of Ruth. Into Ruth's inspiring story, here's a quick question to start things off. What does the name Ruth mean? Is it A, peace, B, friendship, C, grace? Take a moment to think. Do you have your answer? Drum roll, please. The correct answer is friendship. Isn't that fitting? Ruth's actions in her story showcase ultimate friendship and commitment. Imagine the scene. Ruth, a Moabite widow, faces a heartbreaking choice. Her mother-in-law Naomi tells her to return to her own family. But Ruth doesn't hesitate. She declares, "Where you go, I will go, and where you stay, I will stay." Wow, talk about love and loyalty. Ruth could have pursued her own safety, but instead she chose the path of selfless devotion. Naomi became her priority. And through this act of selflessness, Ruth built a deep sense of purpose and security rooted in faith. Here's a little biblical humor for you all. Why didn't Ruth go jogging? Because she couldn't run away from Naomi. Okay, maybe Ruth would laugh too.
Hey guys, I know you're enjoying the lesson. Stop really quick, hit that subscribe button and the like button so we can continue to spread the gospel of Jesus Christ through the arts. Let's continue to spread the gospel through the arts through all of these videos. Share, subscribe, and like. All right, let's get back to the lesson.
us that inner security doesn't always come from focusing on ourselves. It often grows when we pour that love and loyalty into others. It's a beautiful paradox. By helping Naomi rebuild her life, Ruth not only provided Naomi with comfort and hope, but also found an unshakable foundation in her own heart. Now take a few moments to visualize this idea. Imagine yourself creating an image, a painting, a photograph, or simply a mental picture that portrays selfless devotion. What would it look like? Perhaps a warm hug, a shared meal, or a simple act of kindness. Reflect on this creative image as we explore more. Round 2, here's another fun one for you. Which relative of Naomi is referred to as Ruth's Redeemer? Do you think you know it? Well, the correct answer is A. He's such a key figure in Ruth's story, stepping in as her kinsman redeemer and playing a vital role in God's plan. Speaking of Boaz, now it's time for a joke break. Why was Boaz such a great husband? Because he was ruthless? Okay, you've got to admit that one's clever. Psalms 46 reminds us that God is our refuge, our unwavering source of security. But as Ruth shows us, we can also mirror this attribute of God by being a refuge and strength for others. Through love, loyalty, and faith, we can rebuild our inner security even in challenging times. Now, as we wrap up, take one more moment to reflect on Ruth's story and its lessons. Grab a pen and jot down one way you can practice selfless devotion this week. It could be a phone call to a friend, volunteering, or even a quiet prayer for someone in need. These actions not only help others, but also enrich our own sense of purpose and security. Now, before we end today's tutorial, let's hear what Ruth has to say.
I don't know who I'd be if I didn't know you would brought me far from the edge. I don't know where I'd go if you never let go, so keep me out in the wind.
Thank you for joining me today on this heartwarming and fun reflection on rebuilding inner security. Remember, like Ruth, your love and loyalty can make a difference, not just in others' lives, but in your own as well. Have a blessed day.